Legends of Learning presents the Mars Colony Builder game. This is a math game that makes learning about properties for multiplication and division fun and easy to understand. In this informative instructional game, welcome to Mars Colony Builder, where you'll play as a friendly helper robot on a mission to build the first human colony on Mars. Solve fun math challenges using multiplication and division properties like commutative, associative, and distributive laws to gather resources, power up machines, and construct new habitats. Every correct solution helps your colony grow and thrive on the red planet. Use the arrow keys to move your robot across the Martian surface. Press E to grab or drop building boxes and materials. As you build, you'll face quick math puzzles. Solve them correctly to unlock new tools and expand your colony. Complete all the levels to win the game. Use your knowledge of math to complete this fun and educational game. Have fun and enjoy playing.